So this video is about how to dry your washings in the microwave oven. So I have one pillowcase, which actually I have already started drying in microwave oven. So we put it like this. One important thing, no, not yet. So you put it like this, you close and you set for 1 minute. Because ventilation inside is not so good, water will evaporate and stay there. So after 1 minute you should stop it, or it will stop in my case automatically. Take it out and let the vapor from outside go from inside and go outside. And after that you should dry this rotating plate, because lots of water condenses there, and repeat this operation again. So now I'm doing this for the fourth time. After 3 times by 1 minute it was almost dry, and I hope after fourth time it will be dry. We will see. Okay. And what we see, it's really hot, and I would say completely dry. So you can use this method.